Right now, we are 45 minutes away from the end of a 24-hour road rally, raise money for the Alzheimer's Association. According to the association, almost 7 million Americans 65 years and older are living with Alzheimer's right now. To learn more about the fundraiser and how these marathon drivers are doing, let's head out there right now on the track for you live. We're being joined by John Berline out at the World Wide Technology Raceway. He helped organize the event. John, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having us, Travis.
You're all ready to go in your purple there. Can you tell us how the road rally came to be?
Well, it came out of a brainstorming session we had about 5 months ago. Every year, the Alzheimer's Association has their longest day celebration to shine the light on the contribution that caregivers give to people who are living with the disease. And all across the country, people are doing marathon kind of events. And we said, you know, we got a lot of car enthusiasts here in St. Louis. Why wouldn't we try and put on a car event? So we reached out to Curtis Francois, who owns the World Wide Technology Racetrack, asked him if we could use his track for this event. Didn't know it, but his dad passed away from Alzheimer's last year. So he said, I've been looking for a way to pay tribute to my father's memory. This is a perfect opportunity for me. So he made the track available to us.
Wow, what a divine connection there. Well, do the drivers get to switch off?
They do, they do. We're on the track about 30 minutes, and and then you really wear out pretty quickly. So you get off the track, take a rest, get back on the track. But we've been going at it, as you said, for 23 hours. So we're nearing the end.
That's incredible. How will the Alzheimer's Association use the money?
Research, primarily research, and also in the communities to fund programs that help people who are living with the disease. And most people don't know it, but St. Louis is the largest receiver of research funds of any city in the country. The National Institute of Health has sent over $200 million to St. Louis for research on Alzheimer's in the last 5 years.
Well, John, you seem so passionate about this. How did you come to be involved with the organization?
I was a partner of Edward Jones, retired about 4 years ago, but before I retired, set up a strategic alliance between Edward Jones and the Alzheimer's Association to sponsor the 600 walks across the country that usually happen in the fall. But in the summer solstice period, they always have this longest day promotion. We said, let's do something fun, mix fun with philanthropy, and raise awareness, lower the stigma around the disease, and raise money for research.
Got it. Well, lastly, John, how can people watching right now at home help you all out?
Go to alz.org and look for the longest day link. Go there and donate, and let's do some more research. Wouldn't it be cool if St. Louis was the city that found the cure to Alzheimer's disease? How cool would that be?
It would be cool. Thank you so much for joining us, John Berline. We appreciate you this morning.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
All right. Well, I am so glad we're in our purple. We can help celebrate them this morning. And yeah, as he said, you know, it would just be wonderful if St. Louis could be that place.
Certainly would be something to be proud of, and proud already. We have so many people out there supporting them, and what a neat way to raise money too. That's kind of a fun one out there.
Absolutely, absolutely.